Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the channel Get C Maths. Fundamental of the trigonometry is the basic and the essential part whenever we are going to attempt any of the university entry test. In this video, we are going to explain the relationship between degree and the radian, radian and degree, degree minutes and seconds, relation between S, R and theta, unit circle, important formula, location of sine, cos, tan in coordinate system, and use of trigonometric identities. As well, all the students will take coffee during this video. How to take coffee during this video, but we will explain, so please wait. First of all, we are going to explain the relationship between degree and the radian. Angle must be measured in radian or the degree. What is the angle? Whenever the two rays they are joining with each other, the distance between these two rays will be given in the angle or defining by theta. The angle will be given in the degree or in the radian. If the angle will be given in the degree, how to convert in the radian? For example, 5 degree. How to convert 5 degree in the radian? We have to multiply 5 degree by pi by 180. Whenever we are going to multiply it, it will give us pi by 36 radian. So we have converted this degree value into the radian. Secondly, 20 degree. How to convert 20 degree into the radian? 20 degree must be multiplied by pi by 180. So it will give us pi by 9 radian. We need to remember 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and the 90 degree value into the radian. 30 degree is equals to pi by 6, 45 degree is equals to pi by 4, 60 degree is equals to pi by 3 and 90 degree is equals to pi by 2. Now it's time to learn how to convert the radian value of the angle into the degree. So if the angle is given in the radian, we have to multiply it by 180 by pi to convert it into the degree. For example, 2 pi upon 3 radian will be multiplied by 180 by pi, so it will give us 120 degree. Similarly, minus pi by 4 radian is equals to minus pi by 4 multiplied by 180 upon pi. Pi and pi will be cancelled out with each other and 180 upon 4 will give us minus 45 degree. Angle can be shown in its subunit like minutes and second. So if the angle is given in 20 degree and the 30 minutes, how to convert in a degree? So 20 degree and 30 minutes. Just divide the 30 minutes by 60 because a minute has 60 seconds in it. So we can write it as 20 plus 30 upon 60. 30 and 60 will be give us 0.5 or 1 by 2. So it will be converted into the degree like this. But how to convert it into a radian? So we have to multiply the degree value by pi by 180. It will give you 41 pi upon 360. Next topic is relationship between S, R and theta. Whenever we are going to measure the distance between the 2 points of the circle, it will be denoted by S. It means the distance between the angular point A and B will be given as S. If we draw two lines from A to the center of the circle and B to the center of the circle, it will give you the angular movement of these two lines. And these two lines can be measured as the radius of the circle and denoted by R. As per the formula, S is equals to R theta. It means the distance between A and B is equals to radius multiplied by theta. Theta must be measured in the radian and R and S must be measured in the same unit. For example, if S is equals to 10 cm, R is equals to 2 cm, so we can find theta. S is equals to R theta. S is 10 cm, so put the value of 10 cm at the place of S. R is equals to 2 cm, so write down the value of 2 cm at the place of R. And theta is the unknown value. So we can divide 10 cm by 2 cm to find the angle. Angle must be given in the radian. By dividing 10 by 2, the angle must be 5 radian. So we have find out the radian value of the angle by using this formula. Now it's time to define the unit circle. Unit means 1. Whenever a circle has a radius 1, it will be 1 meter, it can be 1 centimeter, it can be 1 millimeter, it can be 1 inches. If any of the circle has such type of the radius, it will be called a unit circle. Here we are having some of the important formula which you have to remember during the university test. 1 radian, area of the circle, area of the sector in radian, area of the sector in degree, and a circumference of a circle. Now it's time to find area of a sector. Sector is a shaded part given in the figure if theta is equals to 0.5 radian and the radius is equals to 6 centimeter. So find the area of the sector. How to find? You have to put all the given values in the formula. After the simplification, it will give us the answer 9 centimeter square. Now it's time to learn the location of sine, tan and cos in a coordinate system. For this we are having a very magical sentence which is all students take coffee. In the first quadrant all the values are positive. In second quadrant only sine is positive and the remaining all the values are negative. In the third quadrant 10 is positive and the other all the values are negative. In the fourth quadrant cos is positive and all the remaining values are negative. By using the coordinate system, we can decide whether the values are positive or negative. Sine 70 lies in the first quadrant, so it will be positive. Cos 120 will lie in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, only the sine is positive and all the remaining values are negative. So cos 120 will be negative. Tan 150. Tangent 150 will lie in the second quadrant and in the second quadrant only sine is positive and all the remaining values are negative. Cos 200. Cos 200 will lie in the third quadrant and the third quadrant has only one value positive in it, which is a tangent. This is a small review of fundamental of trigonometry. So if you have learned something from this video, so like this video, subscribe the channel and write down the comment in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.